Thank you, Shali. Hi, Saloni. Hi, Jyotsna. Thank you. Hey, Surabhi. Hey, Effie. Hi, how are you, Effie? Effie joined from Greece, by the way. Hi, Shalu. Okay, so without further delay, few lines to begin with. हर रोज गिर कर भी मुकम्मल खड़े हैं ए जिंदगी देख मेरे हौसले तुझसे भी बड़े हैं आई थिंक जो आजकल टाइम चल रहा है कोविड का पैंडेमिक टाइम्स अगर इसमें इफ यू डू समथिंग गुड छोटा सा भी कुछ अच्छी चीज होती है सो यू फील सो गुड and I think women shine is a blessing to me during pandemic which I really am thankful to God that universe that they have given me such a good opportunity that I can do well during these pandemic times. So yeah, today we am here to launch my seventh edition of Women Shine. So I'll take you to the pages without further delay. So let me just share the screen with you. या बिफोर दैट इस बार का जो हमारा एडिशन है उसमें हमने काफी वी हैव स्टोरीज विच आर फ्रॉम various women entrepreneurs who are working on vocal for local. So this was a theme for this month. इसमें हमने काफी प्रमोशन भी किया इंस्टाग्राम पे आप लोगों ने काफी पोस्ट हमारे देखे भी होंगे. So this is the theme for this month of the November, vocal for local. Now I'll take you to the magazine. So now when you just type women www.womenshine.in, this pop-up comes. So अगर आप सब्सक्राइबर नहीं है तो please you put your email ID over here, name and country, and you subscribe to the magazine. उसके बाद once you subscribe the magazine, you just come down. This it opens, and this is the cover home page. Pooja babies are the cover page right now in this month. So now here comes the magazine. Now यहाँ पे click to view magazine है. You can just click over here and the magazine. You can just open the magazine. Now let me just run through with all the pages right now. So this is the cover page. We have Shine Global, which is from this lady. She's from Sri Lanka. Then Vocal for Local, we have few women entrepreneurs. Then under Sheelies, we have Dr. Smita Bhandare. She's from Goa. She's an Indian cartoonist. So now, otherwise, apart from these main categories, we have some few stories on health and beauty. So now let's flip the pages. This is the entire index area. There are various segments, what's trending, Shine Global, Celebrity, She Leads, Taste Buds, Health, Travel, Daughters Shine. This is a new segment which we have carried this time. Then this is Zodiac, Beauty and Fashion, Art and Culture, and Classifieds. There are few segments जो हमारे बिल्कुल regular segments हैं. कभी-कभी हम कुछ नए segments add भी कर लेते हैं इसमें. So this is my letter for everybody. So now let's move to the first category. Under what's trending, we have this first article, Shop Local, Spend Local, and Enjoy Local. This is written by Aditi Gupta. I'll just take few lines from the article. While the whole global economy is struggling to remain upright from the weight of the several negative consequences, there has also been a bright side and a consoling aspect of the difficult year. This tough interval has paved a path for growth of opportunities, and our PM announced the support for an Atmanirbhar Bharat and made a vivid call for going vocal for local, much louder than ever before. We at Women Shine have published few journeys of women who are following vocal for local to the core. We have taken few stories this time, but but in coming editions we'll be publishing more stories on vocal for local entrepreneurs. So now the first story we have featured over here is this is Neha Kabra. Her brand is Mati by Neha Kabra. Mati, as you all know, mitti hoti hai. So, and this brand is eco-friendly women's wear, which is at affordable pricing. ये उदयपुर से है. She's based out of Udaipur only. And इनका जो brand है that this is environment friendly. And इनका जो packaging है that is also plastic free, which is a small step towards a big change. So she has done a wonderful work. You can visit her site. Her brand name is Mati by Neha Kabra. So you'll find her there. And before moving to the next entrepreneur, I would like to tell you there's this ad which is bottom strip ad which is here, which is of Ujjwal Jewels. बिकॉज आजकल जो हमारा टाइम चल रहा है कोविड टाइम्स का काफी पीपल आर अंडरगोइंग सो मच ऑफ स्ट्रेस डिप्रेशन सो यू फील गुड अगर आपको कुछ कहीं से कुछ सपोर्ट मिलता है या ये स्टोन वो स्टोन जो हमें एनर्जी या पॉजिटिविटी लाते हैं हमको सो वी गो टुवर्ड्स दैट एंड हम लोगों ने काफी देखा भी है कि पीपल हु हैव वर्न दीज थिंग्स ही हैज गॉट वंडरफुल थिंग्स लाइक ब्रेसलेट्स भी हैं वॉल हैंगिंग्स भी हैं विद वेरियस स्टोन्स which really have given a lot of change in one person's life. So I must tell you that you must go to his address is here, number is there. You can call him up and you can speak to him about the various stones which give impact in your life. Now we have this wonderful lady with the title Magical Herbal Touch. She is Neelima Thakur. Her brand is Shine Herbals. She's a women entrepreneur from Karaikal, a small town in Pondicherry. कराइकल का नाम काफी लोगों ने नहीं सुना होगा लेकिन अभी ये जो आया था हमारा बीच में स्टॉर्म उसमें तो कराइकल से ही पौंडीचेरी से काफी आया था तूफान जो आया था अभी रिसेंटली तो कराइकल नाम काफी आया लोगों को पता चला कि कराइकल भी एक छोटा सा टाउन है पौंडीचेरी में so she is from that particular town Karaikal. She knows how to create magic with herbs and is called a lady with magical herbal touch. After studying the properties of oils and herbs in detail, she blended a few more oils and herbal extracts which help in regrowth and reversing of graying hair. Shine Herbals deals in variety of hair oils, and now she has, I think it's now more than 5 years she's into this, and she has got over 6,000 happy customers. Even she has a wonderful, in fact, इनका खाली यही शी इज ओनली डील्स विद हर्बल ऑयल इसके अलावा कोई और इनके प्रोडक्ट्स नहीं है बट उसी हर्बल ऑयल में उसमें अलग अलग कॉम्पोजिशन है अलग अलग हर्बल ऑयल्स में एंड दे आर वेरी इफेक्टिव यू मस्ट विजिट हर वेबसाइट उनका फेसबुक पेज यू विल सी ऑल द टेस्टिमोनियल ऑफ पीपल हु हैव गिवन एंड पीपल हैव सीन द इफेक्ट ऐसा नहीं है कि ऑयल से हर्बल ऑयल आपका बाल में तेल लगा के आपके बाल बढ़ते नहीं है या इवन ग्रोथ हेयर ग्रोथ के लिए भी है ग्रेइंग के लिए भी है वेरी गुड ऑयल आई थिंक यू मस्ट प्लीज विजिट हर साइट एंड ऑर्डर द प्रोडक्ट एज वेल देन वी हैव तिजोरी इसको कौन नहीं जानता है एवरीबडी सच अ famous name Tijori, which is the co-founder is Mansi Gupta. She created this brand with the idea of promoting traditional Indian handicrafts. Tijori is a lifestyle brand with apparel, home, wellness, jewelry, shoes, bags, and now they have added a category of mom and child. So Tijori का नाम वैसे ही इतना फेमस है. Please visit her website and start shopping. वैसे भी vocal for local हम सबको भी अगर हम इसमें पब्लिश भी कर रहे हैं बट वी शुड ऑल्सो अबाइड बाय वोकल फॉर वी शुड परचेज दीज थिंग्स वी शुड स्मॉल बिजनेस को हमें प्रमोट करना चाहिए तो आई वी शुड ऑल्सो फॉलो दिस वोकल फॉर लोकल इन आवर डेली लाइव्स एज वेल Then we have this wonderful women entrepreneur who is Ada by Lisha. Ada is a product of love for weaves, prints, and dyes. This is a zero-waste handloom fashion brand. The founder is Lisha Agarwal. They source directly from the weavers. And यहाँ पे बेस्ट पार्ट क्या है अगर आप किसी इनसे आप कोई सामान परचेज करेंगे सो दे विल टेल यू कि उनके आपके क्लोथ्स किसने बनाए हैं बिकॉज दे वर्क विद मल्टीपल टेलर्स एंड दे डोंट फॉरगेट टू गिव द क्रेडिट टू द टेलर सो जो ऑल द टैग्स विच आर यूज्ड फॉर ब्रांडिंग आर मेड विद रिसाइकल्ड टेट्रा पैक्स अदा बाय लिशा का मेन इनका एक और भी इम्पोर्टेंट चीज है कि इनका कोई भी चीज क्योंकि ये दे वर्क ऑन जीरो वेस्ट तो जो भी इनका स्क्रैप फैब्रिक होता है कुछ भी चीजें इनकी जो वेस्ट होती हैं उसको ये अपसाइकिल करते हैं वेरियस एसेसरीज में हेयर एसेसरीज में बैग्स में उसमें ये कन्वर्ट कर देते हैं सो दैट नथिंग कोई भी इनका प्रोडक्ट वेस्ट प्रोडक्ट में नहीं जाता है एवरीथिंग इज यूज्ड रिसाइकल्ड So you can also find this brand on Facebook and their website. You can go and buy their products. Then we have Nugu Handmade by Sonali Sharma. Sonali Sharma, she has won Times She Unlimited an Entrepreneur Award in 2020 for her role in establishing Nugu as a promising and sustainable social brand. They develop local artisans, use natural and locally sourced raw materials, and follow sustainable production practices like recycling and carbon sequestration to minimize carbon footprint. They have so far planted 7,000 trees in past 3 years and intend to create a food forest. Their eco-safe creations are made by local artisans. Now here we have a small ad of again hair oils. This is ad for from Shine Herbals, Neelima Thakur. इनके ये ऑयल्स है एंड दिस है पूरा इनका ये नंबर भी दिए हुए हैं जिसमें आप यू कैन ऑर्डर हर प्रोडक्ट यू कैन विजिट हर फेसबुक पेज एज वेल एंड expect miracles. Actually, you can expect. Then, so this was women entrepreneurs under Vocal for Local. Again, कुछ और को भी हम stories हम उनकी publish करेंगे अपने आगे editions में भी. Now comes Shine Global. As the name suggests, here we publish the stories of a woman who is outside India and doing extremely well in her own domain. So this time we have published Manoj. She is from Sri Lanka. मनोज जी का इनका इनफैक्ट अगर हम इनकी बात करें शी इज द चेयरपर्सन ऑफ हाइड्रो पावर प्राइवेट लिमिटेड शी हैज स्टार्टेड अ वुमेन्स ऑर्गेनाइजेशन सिंपली वुमेन इन द ईयर 2016 to upgrade the less privileged living standard of women in Sri Lanka by training the women in hard work such as sewing, patchwork, embroidery, beauty culture, costume jewelry, slipper making, and many more to generate an additional income. She has trained more than 2 lakh women in various trades. Her vision to see women trained by Simply Women is to that they should start earning. So this is, she's doing extremely well in Sri Lanka and she has got so much of, imagine she has impacted so much of women in their lives. So this is something extremely well which she's doing out of her own passion. Then we have our cover story girl, Pooja Baby. She's a very well-known person. She doesn't need any introduction, but still, I would like to tell you that Pooja Baby is, as everybody knows, she's an actress and a TV host. She's the daughter of Kabir Bedi. This year, she's launched her startup, Happy Soul, a multi-vendor e-commerce portal that aggregates best of wellness products and experiences. We have seen her recently in Masaba Masaba Netflix show, wherein she played a counselor to the designer Masaba. Her message for the Women Shine readers is, aim for the stars. You may end up with a handful of sky, but at least it won't be a handful of mud. I think this is something very interesting and very apt. We should actually go for it. And she is doing extremely well. Various brands, even अगर आप Facebook पे भी देखेंगे, various known brands are there on her platform. Even if you are right now, you are into wellness brands and all, if you have not connected with her, please do kind of reach out to them. You can be, your products can be placed on her platform as well. Now, this is an advertisement which we have carried a full page ad, which is of Jewel Treats. This is a brand which is by Reema Shah. She deals with Swarovski, Kundan, various Kundan like earrings, bracelet, and necklace. The number is here. The Instagram handle is there. Facebook page is here. You can reach out to her. And happy shopping for this. Now comes the She Leads category, wherein we feature every time a lady who has actually done extremely well, and she's known across in India. Which this time we have published this Dr. Smita Bhandare Kamath under She Leads category. She's an educationist, columnist, and cartoonist based in Goa. She's a recipient of many awards, including State Award by Governor of Goa, Lokmat Mario, Agent of Social Change, etc. The fascinating aspect about her is the fact that she is one of the few lady cartoonists in India can boast of. She likes to do cartooning on women and children issues. She also plans to start a full-fledged cartoon academy, which is never heard of. Something I think it will be very unique kind of academy in India अगर अब ये step start होती है तो. So इसके बाद we have this taste buds segment wherein we have got recipe we get recipes from various people. तो अगर आपको भी कोई रेसिपी कोई अच्छी डिश आपने बनाई या आपको कोई रेसिपी भेजनी तो आप हमें भेज सकते हैं. This time, this month we have published coleslaw salad, which is sent by Neelima Kapoor, Chef Neelima Kapoor. She runs this Kapoor's Cook and Bake. It's around 20 plus years old organization, cookery and bakery studio. And then we have this apple jalebi. This is sent by one doctor who doesn't want her name to be published. So now comes under the health category. We have normally insomnia, which is a very common disease. हमें नींद नहीं आती है, हम स्ट्रेस में जब होते हैं तो हमें सो नहीं पाते हैं, कोशिश करते हैं बट हम सो नहीं पाते हैं. So this article talks about कि आपको क्या सिम्टम्स होते हैं, इसको हम कैसे क्योर कर सकते हैं. एंड इनफैक्ट क्योर कर सकते हैं डाइट के साथ, क्योंकि जो डाइट होती है बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट फैक्टर होता है अगर हमें नींद नहीं आती उसके लिए. तो किस तरह से हम क्या हमें चीजें करनी चाहिए, क्या हमें चीजें नहीं करनी चाहिए, कि हम स्लीपिंग पिल्स ना खा के हम अपनी डाइट में क्या चीजें इंप्रूव करें जिससे हमें ये प्रॉब्लम हमारी दूर हो जाए. So this article talks about that. Then again, under health, we have hibiscus tea, which is a herbal tea, which is sent to us by Tanya Sani. She's a nutritionist based out of Lucknow, and she's a co-founder of a salon, health salon as well. This is very delicious and good for our health also, hibiscus tea. Please do try. Then comes the travel category. In travel category, in fact, a few days back, I had shared a post in various travel groups of Facebook, wherein if you're done with some solo adventure or solo journey or group travel, if you want to share your travel story with people across globe, so do send us. We will publish your story. So till now we have published various people's stories only, and in fact travel में हम यही कर रहे हैं अभी फिलहाल. We are not promoting any maybe any tourist spot or any sanctuary. We are not doing that. We are just publishing whatever journeys, experiences आपने करे हैं अपनी travel में, वो हम इसको publish कर रहे हैं. So this time we have got इस बार हम आपको न्यूजीलैंड ले चलेंगे. वहाँ we have got this lovely article, A Trip to Paradise by Mr. Manoj Agarwal. इनफैक्ट इन्होंने इतना ब्यूटिफुली डिस्क्राइब किया है, मैं इसमें से कुछ आई जस्ट पिक आउट फ्यू लाइंस ओनली यहाँ से. It talks about countryside, thermal walk amongst craters. It's a bundle of raging emotions that defies words, challenges your senses, and shifts your perception of magic, wonder, and sensory joy. It's sheer bliss in paradise. You know, when you read this article, अगर मैं पूरा बता दूंगी तो आप पढ़ेंगे नहीं इसको. So if you read this article line by line, you will feel that you're in New Zealand, no? The way he has described so beautifully. इसीलिए, you know, even अगर that's why I ask for travel stories, so that even हम लोग कहीं वहाँ नहीं भी जा पाते हैं, but आपका जो description होता है उससे हम लोग कम से कम we are able to visit that place in our imagination only. So yeah, it's a lovely article. You must read this travel article, A Trip to Paradise. Then we have this segment, Daughters Shine. I would like to tell you before that, there is this organization which is called Spin a Yarn India. This is founded by mother-in-law and daughter-in-law duo. And the name is, the mother-in-law name is Madhurita Deshmukh and daughter-in-law name is Shikha Dalmia. इन्होंने ये organization बनाया है, Spin a Yarn India. And this organization, it works toward preserving, protecting, and promoting indigenous Indian culture, heritage, and languages. इसमें क्या है? They work with storytellers, and इसमें हर age के storytellers हैं. They are ranging from grandmothers to grandfathers to children to narrate stories, poems, etc. And their main aim that they reteach our younger generation about culture, heritage, and languages. जो आज नई generation आ रही है वो भूलती जा रही है. So with this initiative, they would actually want to make a change in the minds of young generation. Must read this article and please follow Spin a Yarn India, for they are doing so many things on a regular basis. So you'll be updated on all those things. Then we have this ad, Learn with Preste. This is an educational company which is just launched, and they have a very different style of dealing with kids. No, it is not the normal तरीका जो होता है बच्चों को पढ़ाने का. The very different approach, very friendly approach. And you know, when you learn with fun, then you know children understand more. So जो पुराना टाइप का होता था classroom वाला जो system, वो सब बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. Very different technique, very new technique they have come up with. So they have given this ad over here. So they have the numbers over here. You can get in touch with them if you want to. Then we have the zodiac category. You know, हर महीने हम हर zodiac को हमेशा we publish about them, and also we tell you that this zodiac sign is compatible to which zodiac sign also, so that you know if you're a Sagittarius, so you know कि हाँ, and you know वैसे भी Sagittarius को कहते हैं कि they're the most friendly sign you will ever come across. Even I have met so many Sagittarians, and I can vouch on this that they are such a lovely zodiac sign. Of this is actually a lovely sign zodiac. They are, you know, they are most compatible with people who are easygoing and independent. So this time, what we have done, we have showed you, written about Sagittarius and Aries, the compatibility. Then Sagittarius and Leo, and Sagittarius and Aquarius. So if you have friends, if you're a Sagittarian, you must please make a note of all these things, that आप किसके साथ compatible हैं, किसके साथ नहीं compatible हैं. Then under beauty and fashion, we have this winter dry skin. You know, जो आजकल weather हो रहा है, हल्का हल्का winters आ रहे हैं, plus हम लोग की skin it's becoming dried on a regular basis. So किस तरह से हमारा humidity level भी drop हो रहा है. So this article talks about the natural remedy कि कैसे हम homemade तरीके से how can we make our skin very soft. In fact, I have missed out one article. I would like to just go to that again. There is again one person who's doing extremely well under vocal for local. Yeah, she's Minakshi Balke. मीनाक्षी बाल्के इनफैक्ट एक टाइम ऐसा था इनके बारे में कोई भी नहीं जानता था, बट अभी कुछ टाइम से ही एक्चुअली शी हैज बिकम सो फेमस. यू नो, अभी कैसे फेमस हुई, आई टेल यू अबाउट दिस. You know, she is the first craft person who got golden opportunity to design the aesthetic jewelry and crown from bamboo for the contestants in an international beauty pageant, Miss Climate, December 2019. She's the first bamboo artisan in the country who got trained in Jerusalem, Israel. The Chief Minister of Maharashtra had liked the bamboo rakis made by her. She came into limelight when she sent rakis made of bamboo to our Prime Minister. It benefited her by giving business to 6,000 rakis and providing employment to the women in lockdown. इनफैक्ट इस समय मीनाक्षी को हर स्टेट से इनविटेशंस आ रहे हैं कि आप हमारी स्टेट में आइए, लोगों को ट्रेन करिए, आर्टिजन्स को और नए आर्टिजन डेवलप करिए, एंड बैम्बू की ट्रेनिंग के लिए इनको बहुत इनविटेशंस आ रहे हैं. इनफैक्ट शी हैज गॉन थ्रू अ लॉट, नो, इनकी काफी फाइनेंशियल हार्डशिप्स रही है इनकी लाइफ में, काफी प्रॉब्लम्स इन्होंने फेस करी है, बट देन पैशन शी हैज गॉट, द परसिवरेंस शी हैज इन हर, आई थिंक उसकी वजह से जहाँ पे आज वो है, जैसे इन्होंने अपना नाम जो बना लिया है, वो कोई भी आम आदमी नहीं बना सकता था. सो हैट्स ऑफ टू हर इंटीग्रिटी एंड परसिवरेंस. ऑल द बेस्ट मीनाक्षी, आप और अच्छा काम करें, और हम तो ये चाहेंगे कि आप और भी स्टेट्स में ट्रेनिंग दे और आर्टिजन्स हो, एंड सच अ लवली वर्क ऑफ बैम्बू, इसमें बहुत सारी चीजें बन सकती हैं. आई विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट मीनाक्षी. So now coming again to towards end part. Yeah. So before going to this point, we have another one ad of this is Aseva. This is a beauty salon, and they have offered you good discount of flat 50% off also, and 40% discount on various treatments. Do visit them. Their numbers are mentioned over here. सब कुछ है. Please contact करिए इनको and take all the discounts, use all the services of them. Then we have this lovely poem which is sent by Pranavi Gupta, Nature's Love. इसके साथ this is the classifieds में हमने there is this company which is called loveactually.me, which works with PWD, person with disabilities. So they have organized this Ignite 3.0, and this event is we are the Women Shine, we are the e-magazine partners to them. So इनका ये will be publishing their stories even after event report as well. So this is what this was the entire edition of Women Shine. Yeah, so this was the entire edition of this seventh edition. I hope you'll like it. And these stories, ये जो हमने vocal for local carry करी हैं, they are these people. They have really done so, and they're not very famous people, but they are moving towards that. They are doing extremely well in their lives, and the work they have got, they are doing it extremely well. So I will say, please visit their websites if you want. You can order your products from them because they're all good, environment friendly products, handmade products made by artisans and all. So they are really good products. I have also ordered. So I think काफी अच्छा रहेगा अगर आप भी order करेंगे, because we have to support people who are, in fact, अगर if you see our Instagram promotion which we have done, तो अगर हमारे आसपास कोई एंटरप्रेन्योर अच्छा काम कर रहा है, चाहे वो रेस्टोरेंट हो, चाहे वो बुटीक हो, चाहे वो उनका कोई प्रोडक्ट हो, आई थिंक वी शुड ऑर्डर थिंग्स फ्रॉम देम. We need to support these local women entrepreneurs as well. So this was all the edition was about. So yes, we are looking forward for December. December may there are various live sessions which I'm doing, because 3rd December being the Disabled Day, we'll be having a live session with 2 people. एंड देन सिंस यूएन का एक 16 डेज का एक्टिवेशन प्रोग्राम होता है विच इज फॉर सेक्सुअल जेंडर वायलेंस पे होता है, जिसमें हम अलग अलग जगह लोग अलग अलग प्रोग्राम्स करते हैं, कुछ 16 डेज करते हैं, कुछ दिन करते हैं, वर्कशॉप्स होती हैं. सो दिस टाइम वी हैव टेकन 5 days wherein we'll be doing 5 live sessions with various people who are doing working in this area of sexual gender violence. In fact, on 7th ko we are doing a live session with Asha Devi. Don't miss that session. Asha Devi is the mother of Nirbhaya. उनके साथ हमारा एक लाइव सेशन होगा. उसके साथ साथ हमारा एक शीरोज हैंगआउट की 2 एसिड अटैक विक्टिम्स हैं, उनके साथ हमारा एक लाइव सेशन होगा. So don't miss those sessions. We'll get to know about these people. In fact, हमारा जो second को हम session start करेंगे इसका UN activism वाला प्रोग्राम का, which is by सुनीता बंसल. She is the member of state commission, जो हमारा महिला आयोग है वहाँ की है वो. उनसे हम स्टार्ट करेंगे बिकॉज वो लोग भी काफी केसेस डील करते रहते हैं. एंड उसी के साथ साथ हम बाकी लास्ट में हमारा 10th को हमारा सेशन कंप्लीट होगा. एंड देन ऑफ कोर्स टुवर्ड्स द एंड वी हैव समथिंग वेरी ग्रेट सरप्राइजेस फॉर यू एज वेल, जो कि हम धीरे धीरे वी रिवील दोज थिंग्स इन ऑन फेसबुक पेजेस. सो डू लाइक आवर पेजेस, डू सब्सक्राइब. इट्स www.womenshine.in. अगर सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है, इट्स अ फ्री सब्सक्रिप्शन, so you can subscribe and do read the magazine as well. If you want to download, there's a download button. You can just download the magazine also over there. And also, अगर आपको कोई पुराने editions भी देखने होते हैं, so you go to the download button. सारे editions वहाँ पे हैं from May, June, July, August, September, October. You can just उसको click करेंगे. You can read those all the editions. So thank you so much for joining for this live session. And do read the magazine. Do circulate in your network so that जितने ज़्यादा, and in fact you should also support me. This is also a small business. We should all support small businesses. So इसको अपने network में आप circulate करिए. People should subscribe this. If anybody wants to advertise here, because we have got a very good reach, we have got a very good traction. हमारे 3800 subscribers हो गए हैं, तो it's a good figure also in 7 months. And काफी more than 7,000 हमारे readers हैं magazine के. So we'll give you a good reach if you want to advertise in this. Do connect with us if you want to advertise. Our numbers are there on the website and on the Facebook pages as well. Thank you so much. Have a great evening, great Saturday evening. Thank you so much. Bye.